I'm Lynn Gines. I've been teaching and educating about essential oils and natural remedies for over a decade now. The topic for today's video is how to use lavender for sleep. Now, one of the first things you want to think about when you're getting ready to go to sleep at night is you need to have a routine, something that your body is already ready for, that you have a practiced routine that you go through. Whatever that looks like, it may take a half an hour for your body to start recognizing the signs of, oh, I'm getting ready to go to sleep. It may be brushing your teeth. It may be getting your cozy pajamas on. Maybe turning down the lights and shutting down electronics. But whatever your routine is, start doing that. And I would incorporate lavender essential oil. So I'm going to teach you how to use lavender oil for sleep. So when I'm heading off to bed, these are some of the places I like to put lavender essential oil to help me for sleep. I get a little bit of oil on my fingers, and on the back of your neck is always a really great place to put in essential oil. And you want to warm it up just a little bit because it helps penetrate in when you warm it up. The second thing is we're going to smell it. We're going to breathe it in. And almost immediately as we breathe in lavender, it's going to start giving our body calming effects. And then the other place I love to put it is actually on the bottoms of my feet. The bottoms of your feet is a great place to put lavender essential oil. And then there's one more place. Now, wherever you feel tension or you hold tension in your body or hold stress in your body, that is where you're going to want to apply lavender. For me, sometimes I hold tension in my shoulders, or sometimes I actually feel it right over my heart. And I like to apply lavender directly over my heart, okay? Now, after you put the essential oil on, don't go running around the house and trying to accomplish 5 or 10 more things. No, this is sleep time. It's time to climb in your bed and hold your body still. This is gonna help you go to sleep so much faster with these soothing effects of lavender. Another trick I really like is you can actually apply lavender directly onto your pillow. So it's kind of an aromatic experience, right? You can just put a drop right on your pillow, and then while you're sleeping, you're going to be able to smell that, and it's going to help you calm throughout the night. One other trick that I have, and that is to diffuse lavender throughout the night. My favorite diffusers are the ones that can actually go for 8 hours long. But even if you have a diffuser that only goes for 4 hours, it's going to help get you through halfway through the night at least, and be just diffusing that ongoing. I like to have a diffuser right on my nightstand. And here's one trick of how to use lavender for sleep is that you can add just a little touch of citrus oil. So in your diffuser, add about 5 drops of lavender and add just a few drops of whatever your favorite citrus oil. I like to use bergamot with it. It helps keep you to sleep longer. So those are just a few of my favorite tips about how to use lavender essential oil to help you fall to sleep and stay asleep longer. Happy dreams. If you found this video helpful today, go ahead and click that like button. And if you would like to learn more tips and tricks about essential oils and natural remedies in your home, go ahead and click this subscribe button.